First open your settings. Open Update and Security. Open Recovery. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder and go to C. Open the Windows folder. Locate the Software Distribution folder. Delete the folder. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Notepad. Open your Notepad. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste the text into your Notepad. Click on File. In Save As type select All Files. In file name type fix.bat. Press Save. Right-click your fix.bat file. Select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Now restart. Now run Windows Update. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstop cryptsvc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/softwaredistribution softwaredistribution.old and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type netstart wuauserv and then press Enter. Type netstart bits and then press Enter. Type netstart cryptsvc and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Now restart.